Hey everyone, Josh here from Fresh Start Customs, and today we're going to be going over the new cleaning tool, the Endoscope, that I got from Amazon here. This is going to be our monthly update on a new product to either enhance or help clean your Glowforge. So as you can see from the past, I do this about once a month. I just try to find a new product that's really cool, that'll help with your Glowforge. This one I actually found from the Glowforge forum. So this is the Endoscope. I did test this out shortly on my phone. It works well on my phone here. Now, I just wanted to go over the packaging really quick and then a few things that seem a little shady that I want to let you know of, but we'll go into that. So when you first get the box, it's just a solid brown box like this. Just says made on China, and it has the SKU on the back side here, and that's pretty much it. So no actual branding on the box. So this does do what it's supposed to do, and that's all it does really. So don't expect too much more out of it, but let's go ahead and jump into this. It does look like they have their brand name on here. It looks like TAKMLY. I'm not going to pronounce it because I'm going to mess it up. But anyways, that's their brand name. It comes with a little warranty card there. And then it comes with a CD and some instructions, the actual scope itself, and it looks like what this is probably cleaning tools. I didn't look at the instructions thoroughly, but I'm probably never going to use this here. So let's go ahead and dive into this. This is the actual Endoscope itself. You're going to go ahead and pull the cap off the top here, and then it's going to reveal the actual camera lens itself. That's just like a dust cover. And then in the instructions, what I wanted to talk to you that seemed a little sketchy to me is you can do this on your computer. It has the standard USB, and it has that little CD that comes with it. The CD has a little panda bear on it and just saying it's a compact disc. So it is one of those really small CDs. As you can tell, it can fit smaller than the palm of my hand here. So the CD software for the actual scope itself is on here, but in their actual notes itself, it says, note, if you open the software directly on the CD inside, the software can't be closed. Please kindly understand. So the way that that's worded, it makes me feel like if you're opening it directly from the CD without installing it on the computer, then you can't close out of the software. But I would assume that there would have to be a way that you can actually close out of it. So just the way that that's worded seems a little weird. And then if they're saying that you install the software, then it can't be closed, that wouldn't make sense either. So just a fair warning on that. It just worded kind of weird to me. So that's up to you. Use that at your own risk on your computer. I personally am only going to use this on my phone. Now, with the phone, you will need an actual Android phone for this, it looks like. So you would need the Android app and the Android phone. The reason being is I don't see anywhere here that says that it can be used for an iPhone, and there is no Lightning port adapter on this thing either. So, with all of that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump into the actual product itself here. So with the actual scope, like I said, it comes with this standard USB port here. And then it hinges down, like you may have seen some of those Chinese adapters that hinge and work in multiple items. So this one hinges down. You got to be careful which way you go, but this one hinges down like that. I'm not sure if you can see it, but then it turns it into a micro USB. And then it's going to go from micro USB into a USB-C with this adapter here. And that's the phone type that I have, is a USB-C adapter. So all you got to do is plug this into your phone with downloading their app. I'll go ahead and open that on my phone here really quick. And as you can see, I opened up their app. It's just called, I think it's called let me see here. It starts with an O, but it's called Endoscope. Yeah, OTG View Endoscope. That's all it is. You'll download it right from the instructions, and it'll be solid black. As you can tell, it's not using my cameras. It's going to use from the actual power port on the phone itself. So let me go ahead and I'll unwrap this cord here. And you get plenty of camera cord. This has to be at least 10 to 25 feet worth of cord. It's an absurd amount of cord here. So we're not going to need this. I'm going to go ahead and point this down a little bit out of the way. And we're going to plug this right in. And one thing that I did note on mine, whenever I had my case on, the actual cord kept popping out. So take the case off your phone if you're having an issue with the cord popping out, and then you're going to have to allow it to use your USB device in order to allow the camera to be used. So as you can see, there we go, as you can see here, it's now viewing anything that I view with this camera. So if I view their warranty papers here, you can get really close and you can read their warranty papers. We're going to use this on the actual Glowforge here in just a second. So I just wanted to show you guys how this works. And let me go ahead and point this up at the camera so that you can see on the camera that there's a little light right here. And I'm just looking right back at the camera setup here. This little light turns on automatically. As far as I know, there's not a way to turn it off. Actually, maybe there is. Let's try this. No, that's just lightening and darkening your screen. So there's not a way to actually turn off this light here. So just a heads up on that. Let's go ahead and jump into the actual Glowforge itself so you can see this in action, and we'll go from there. Alright you guys, so as you can tell, we're over at the Glowforge now. I've got the phone connected to the Endoscope here. We're going to go ahead and show you what we're going to actually use this for. I'll do a recording on the actual Endoscope so you can see what the recording looks like, but I just wanted to show you guys that I have it all connected, and when I move the scope around, it moves on the phone here. So I'm going to start recording. What we're going to do is we're going to actually move this forward, and then I'll flip over to this actual recording so you can see what's going on. But let me flip over to that now, and then as you can see with the Endoscope all of this build up here. This is going to help you get into the fans. This will work great on the Pro because you'll have that metal cooling unit as well. And as you can see, you can get pretty deep in there and see all of the dirt and debris and buildup. So there's quite a bit of buildup right there behind this little honeycomb like port for the exhaust. So I'm going to go ahead and get in there and clean that stuff here later. But this just shows you how much dirt can build up in there really quickly, and how well this tool is going to come in handy so you can actually see this stuff without actually taking your unit apart. This is going to be an awesome tool for cleaning. One other thing that we can do is we can actually get down into our air assist fan. As you can see, there's definitely some buildup there. This lets me see a lot more than what I've ever been able to see before. As you can tell, I have yet to take this apart, and there's definitely buildup way down in there. So I'm going to have to take this apart. I'm going to have to do a video soon on cleaning your air assist fan. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this helps you out. Let me know if you end up getting one. Let me know if you try this on your actual computer. If you don't want to try it on your computer and you have an iPhone and it doesn't work with iPhone, just buy one of those like cheap prepaid phones that you can get from like Dollar General for $35. Use one of those instead if you don't want to risk getting like malware on your computer. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was a pleasure talking with you. We'll catch you guys next time.